This poster explains carbon stocks, the total carbon stored in ecosystems like plants and soil, and why they are critical for combating climate change. It highlights how human activities like deforestation reduce carbon stocks. The poster also includes data from Indonesia to show real-world impacts. If you tap on the play button, the class will start, featuring the important carbon stock environment presentation. The poster provides a formula for calculating carbon stocks by considering factors like vegetation and soil. This formula helps assess the total carbon stored in an area. It's important for environmental monitoring and planning. If you tap on the play button, the class will start, featuring the important carbon stock environment presentation. This poster shows a periodic table organizing elements by atomic number, symbol, and mass. It categorizes elements into groups like metals and nonmetals. The table is a key reference for understanding chemical properties. If you tap on the play button, the class will start, featuring the important carbon stock environment presentation. If you are ready, the class is going to start. Today's topic is the important role of carbon in the environment.
Did you know that fallen dry leaves can still serve as a storage for carbon compounds? Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Fectar, and today we will be discussing an interesting topic called carbon stock. But what exactly is carbon stock? Before we dive into that, you need to know what carbon emissions are. Carbon emissions refer to the release of carbon dioxide and similar compounds into the atmosphere, which have harmful effects on the environment, such as greenhouse effects, air pollution, water shortage, and global warmings. To mitigate these impacts, carbon compounds are stored in natural ecosystems, which we call carbon stock. This can include soils, forests, and oceans. According to SNI Regulation number 7724 of year 2019 concerning carbon stock measurement and calculation, even dead trees can still act as carbon stock. Here's a map of Bandung and its surrounding areas, highlighting carbon stock distribution. From this graphic, we can conclude that changes in land cover over the 4 periods are closely related to the total carbon emissions in the area. It's concerning that there has been a significant decline in total stored carbon from 2014 to 2023, dropping from around 70 million milligram carbon to approximately 60 million milligram carbon. Simultaneously, agricultural land increased by 1.52% and built-up land by 50.68%. Indonesia participated in the Paris Conference on December 12, 2015, which resulted in the Paris Agreement to combat climate change. Indonesia officially ratified this agreement through Law number 16 of 2016. One of the mechanisms used in this agreement is carbon trading. Carbon trading is a market-based mechanism that allows parties to buy and sell carbon emissions rights as part of efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. This process is regulated by the government because the benefits of carbon trading for Indonesia include supporting national emission targets, improving air and water quality, enhancing energy and food security, and maintaining macroeconomic stability. It is expected to strengthen Indonesia's climate change mitigation efforts. Indonesia has demonstrated its commitment through regulations and politics in this matter. Carbon emissions are a global issue that demands serious attention from all of us. By understanding its impact and taking concrete action, we can contribute to preserving the Earth for future generations. Ultimately, learning about carbon stock is crucial, as it can serve as an important tool in shaping key decisions about future development strategies. So, we are launching our campaign here to make Carbon Quest users spread awareness and increase the total of carbon stock in Indonesia and the world. I'm Fatir. Goodbye.
Who is